Obsession Alert here. These are the Stylia eye masks, collagen eye masks. And I love how many of these that there are in here, 30 of them. Spa-like style. This is just amazing. You could either keep these for yourself or break them up into little gift baskets. Love the hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C. So it addresses puffy eyes, dark circles, and those eye bags. This is really advanced skincare. I'm keeping one box and gifting another, but I keep going back to these. Noticeably cooling on contact, perfect for depuffing those tired eyes. What they're infused with, a bunch of goodies, collagen, vitamin C, all kinds of stuff. Hydration and brightness is the result. These patches, they instantly give that soothing feeling, hydrating feeling, helping calm that morning puffiness. I keep these on about 15 to 20. They cling well. You smooth them down firmly, and they do not slide around at all. If you want to get really fancy, put them in your fridge, and that will even make you feel more awake when you put them on. These little guys, they're solid, they're budget friendly, and they're a perfect addition to any self-care routine. Highly recommend.